What is going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Looking forward to this one all week. Tonight we are going to be opening up a Tmall box from Panini Mosaic 2019-20. Some nice basketball action in store. Hope everybody had a great week and is doing well. Get that Christmas shopping done. We do actually have two teams available. And they're good ones. The Chicago Bulls and the New Orleans Pelicans, believe it or not. Apparently somebody bid on the Pelicans and the Bulls, and either A, forgot to pay, or B, maybe they fell in love. But either way, they did not pay for the teams, and so they are available if anybody's interested. Comment in the chat. Maybe we can strike a deal. If not, no big deal. This cold drink out of the way. How is everybody doing tonight? Feel free to jump in the chat, introduce yourself, tell me what team you're cheering for, who you got, who's going to win the Super Bowl, who's going to win the NBA championship next year. Jared, what's up, buddy? How much for the Bulls? They sold for 43. I'll take less than that. We'll start it at 40. If anybody wants them for 40 bucks. Would hate to pull a Kobe White gold wave and not have anybody enjoy it. So yeah, the Pelicans went for 100. The Bulls went for 43 and change. We'll do the Bulls for 40 and the Pelicans for 90. If anybody wants them. Lakers back to back. What's up, James? How you doing, buddy? I know I just talked to you a few minutes ago, but I'm saying what's up and asking you how you're doing again. Opening the drink tonight with the Supreme bottle opener. That always comes in handy. I know. I feel like I haven't seen you in a long time, James. You missed one break. I can't believe it. How would you pay for the Bulls, Jared? Same address. Let me get it for you real quick. Same PayPal address you used on eBay. Just let me know if you want to strike that deal, Jared. Give you guys a few more minutes to get some people in here. We only got like 4 people. So Michael H., what's going on, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while, too. I was actually going to send you a message and let you know that I have some Tmall and a bunch of other stuff. I do have some Prism and stuff. I know you were bored out there in where are you visiting? Where are you working at now? Alaska or something like that, or Oklahoma? Same. But yeah, we do got the Pelicans tonight available, and the Bulls, I think, might have a pending offer on the Bulls right now. But yeah, Mike, if you want the Pelicans, feel free to jump in, my man. We're doing a Tmall box tonight and 2 Mosaic hangers. So definitely some chances to pull a Zion, and you definitely have incredible luck when it comes to my breaks. Been busy in Wichita. Nice, man. How's the weather out there as opposed to Vegas? Sounds good, Michael. It's actually been really cold here in Vegas too, but I mean, that's pretty sad even saying that, considering we don't really ever have any snow. Today I went and got my mail in my shorts, so it can't be that cold, right? Oh yeah, James, for the other cards, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, Michael, 90 is cool for the Pels. And then, hey, Michael, just let me know, send me a message here or whatever, and let me know what address you want me to send them to. I don't know if you want me to send them to the Vegas spot or out there in Wichita again. Hey Jared, did you want the Bulls still for 40? Chicago Bulls and the Kobe White Bulls. Wendell Carter, I know his prices are actually popping off recently. People are expecting big things from Chicago next year. No problem, Jared. That's cool, buddy. Anybody else going one last time? The only team we have available now is the Chicago Bulls. If anybody wants the Chicago Bulls for $35, raise your hand in the chat, and so we can get this cracking. Sounds good, Michael, for sure. Chicago Bulls for $35 if anybody wants to jump on them. If not, we're going to get going, and we'll just swallow the Bulls. James will take it for 35. Okay, man. James got the Chicago Bulls for $35. All right, so let's go over our team list really fast now that we can update it. This is box break number 17. Thanks for joining us tonight, guys. Atlanta Hawks are going to go to Ben. Nicholas with the Boston Celtics. James H. with the Brooklyn Nets. The Charlotte Hornets are going to Craig. James H. also has the Chicago Bulls. Let's pull you a Kobe White now. Cleveland Cavs are also going to James H. Dallas Mavericks are going to go to Jonathan R. Denver Nuggets, Andrew C. John B. with the Detroit Pistons. Dom with the Golden State Warriors. Houston Rockets are going to go to Jared. Arunis has the Pacers. Craig with the Clippers. Ben with the LeBron James Lakers. Mark C. has the Memphis Grizz. Daniel C. has the Miami Heat. The Bucks are going to go to Nathan L. The T-Wolves are going to go to Daniel C. The Pelicans to my man Michael. The New York Knicks are going to go to James H. The OKC Thunder are going to go to Juan. Orlando Magic, Nathan B. 76ers to Arunis. The Phoenix Suns are going to go to Robert G. Daniel R. has the Portland Trailblazers. Sacramento Kings going to Dong Wan. The Spurs are going to go to Kerry. The Raptors are going to go to James H. The Utah Jazz to Arunas. Day has the Wizards and Team USA going to Arunas. Good luck, everyone. I am definitely excited about opening another Tmall box. These are really cool. We will save the Tmall box, obviously, for last and open up these two Mosaic hangers to start off. I got everybody in order. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you guys like these Tmall boxes. We can definitely do some more. I figured I'd switch it up from the cello boxes. Give you guys a little variety. Don't want to expose that back card. It's usually a nice one, so open them that way. Yeah, James, you're all over this break, brother. Good luck, man. Let's pull some fire for you, man. Did pretty good with these hanger boxes last time you bought some of them. Let's keep that going. Yeah, I mean, we can talk about that. I definitely do personals. I think they're really fun. I like that one-on-one vibe where you're like just basically pulling some heat for somebody. But yeah, man, James, for sure. Just honestly, too, like you can just let me know what you want. I can get National Treasures, really anything that you're kind of looking for. 2017 Prism boxes I have. We do football, hockey, anything really. You want a gold MVP LeBron? Me too. All right, let's start off with the first hanger. He's got those orange reactives, so let's see what we can do. Cantor for Boston is going to start us off. Rajon Rondo for the Lake Show Lakers. House Jr. for the Houston Rockets. Malik Monk for the Charlotte Hornets. Fred VanVleet, Toronto Raptors. Derrick Rose for the Detroit Pistons. Carmelo Anthony, there's your boy, James. You got the Blazers today, James? Portland? No, you don't, actually. I'm surprised. Miles Bridges, Charlotte Hornets. OG Anunoby for Toronto. In this slot, we're hoping next to have a rookie variation card. We actually have a Mosaic Prism. It is not a rookie. It is Malcolm Brogdon of the Indiana Pacers. On to our orange reactives. Kristaps Porzingis for the Dallas Mavericks. Wish it was a Luka. Aaron Gordon, Orlando. Serge Ibaka for the Toronto Raptors. Cody Zeller, Charlotte Hornets. Hornets seem to be on fire tonight. Our Jam Master is going to be Giannis. Nice Jam Master insert. There we go. I called him. Luka Doncic, will to win insert for the Dallas Mavericks. Nice hit going out to Jonathan R. A Team USA, Steph Curry. Ardunis. Nice hit for you. Yeah, it does seem to be a vet pack, right? Vet pack with a taco. Taco Fall, our first rookie out of this one. We have a Hall of Fame AI, Allen Iverson for Team USA. I'm sorry, that's going out to Philly, rather. And on the back, we have a Jalen Noel. So not the most exciting hanger we've ever opened here. Not horrible, but definitely can do better. So all right. Gallinari for the OKC Thunder. Scary Bobby Portis for the New York Knicks. We got a Russ Westbrook for the Houston Rockets. Jeremy Grant for the Denver Nuggets. DeLon Wright for the Dallas Mavericks. Terrence Ross, Orlando. Triple J, nice card for the Memphis Grizzlies. Bogdanovich for the Utah Jazz. D'Angelo Russell for the Golden State Warriors. A silver prism, Miles Turner, standing on his head for the Indiana Pacers. The orange reactive Kyrie Irving for Brooklyn. Looks like we're going to get another orange reactive run of veterans instead of rookies, unfortunately. So Damian Jones for Atlanta. Frank Ntilikina for the New York Knicks. And Mark Gasol. A give and go James Harden insert for the Houston Rockets. Paul George got game insert. Romeo Langford, rookie for the Boston Celtics. Boston Celtics with Taco Fall in the first hanger. So NBA debut Eric Pascal for the Golden State Warriors. Cabangeli for the LA Clippers, base rookie. And on the back, we have a Hall of Fame mailman, Karl Malone. So the appetizer was not that delicious. Hopefully the entree will be. For those of you that don't know, the Tmall Asia Edition box does feature the Red Wave and Gold Wave prisms. Typically in this box, there's 12 packs with 5 cards in each pack. Typically, we're going to find a prism card in every single pack. It's going to be a red or a gold. I've seen, for the most part, it's usually 2 golds a box and 10 reds. But I have seen people pull 3 golds out of these, so I agree, Michael. That was not the best hangers we've ever opened. But, you know, with the COVID stuff going on right now and, you know, toilet paper shortages, maybe some of those cards can come in handy. Let's see if we can turn it around right here. All right, nothing left in the box except the 3D glasses, so we are ready to rock and roll. Yeah, I agree, James. It 100% is. The ones that I've opened so far, we have not pulled 3 gold prisms. It's only 2. These packs definitely open more like butter, though, I tell you. It's nice after ripping a bunch of packs. Good luck, everyone. It can only get better. So, Steph Curry going to start us off, so it's better already. I like it. Steph Curry for the Golden State Warriors. Luke Kennard, Detroit Pistons. Steven Adams, OKC. And our first red wave is going to be a rookie. It's Terrence Mann for the LA Clippers. Congratulations to the Clippers. Craig, nice hit for you, my friend. And on the back end, we have a Hall of Fame Julius Erving. So, obviously, any of these red wave rookies, super rare. We are going to sleeve these up and put them in the VIP section for sure. You never know, James. I mean, you know, desperate times call for desperate measures, man. Yeah, other than the peacocks for Mosaic this year, I love these red and gold waves, man. These are just, I think they're so much cooler than the typical red Mosaic prisms that are in the standard boxes. Definitely these Tmall boxes to me are really, really nice. They're almost more towards a hobby box than your typical retail. Another nice vet out of the gate on these. I also noticed so far on these, they sometimes on the retail versions of the Mosaic this year, you'd have your just print lines and all kinds of other problems and off-centering. These Tmall boxes seem to be just better manufactured to me, from what I've seen so far, but who knows. Kevin Durant going to start us off for the Brooklyn Nets, followed by De'Aaron Fox. Sacramento Kings, we got a JJ Redick for the Pelicans. Our red wave, let's go for another rookie. It is not a rookie, but it is De'Aaron Fox. Nice hit for Sacramento. Red wave, De'Aaron Fox. And a Team USA, Larry the Legend. Personal break on a Tmall? We'll chat about it, James. I'm not, you know, it kind of depends on like how many you want to do. If you just want to do one, that's completely cool. I've done a couple personal breaks so far, but it was for a client who wanted like 4 or 5. Obviously, if you're going to do, you know, that many, the price is going to be a little bit better. But we'll chat. I'll give you a good price. You're a good friend and a good client of the channel, man. So I'll definitely try to take care of you. Lauri Markkanen going to start us off for the Chicago Bulls. Hassan Whiteside, Portland Trailblazers. Ricky Rubio. Our red wave is going to be, boom, a nice hit for the Brooklyn Nets. James, is that you? Cam Johnson, NBA debut rookie on the backside, but I'm looking at KD right now. Very beautiful. Gotta love that. A red wave. Kevin Durant. Nice hit from a man, James. There you go, buddy. And like I said, just, briefly looking at the card, they're just so much better manufactured, it seems. Like everything, like look at the centering. It's just beautiful. I don't know if they took better care of the products in Asia as opposed to the United States, but that is a sick card. So we are doing pretty good. Let's go for a big rookie. Get my man Michael a Zion. Looks like we do have a silver prism in this pack, which is really awesome on these Tmall boxes because quite often in the United States product version, you get that silver prism if you're lucky in a pack. But in these packs, you're still going to get a red wave or a gold wave. So even though we got a silver prism in here, you're also going to get a gold or a red. So that's pretty sweet. Donovan Mitchell starting us off for Utah, followed by Grayson Allen of the Memphis Grizzlies. Let's go for a big silver prism. Looks like it's going to be upside down. It is a rookie. It's Bol for the Denver Nuggets. Bol silver prism. Nice hit for the Denver Nuggets. Andrew C., I believe. Our red is going to be Sabonis. And it looks like we got Isaiah on the back for the Dallas Mavericks. Bol silver prism. Hey. Yeah, Michael, I did a personal break for somebody on like the first few Tmall boxes I got, and we actually pulled a base Zion Gold Wave. It was so, I mean, the card in person is incredible. Like, I think that card, the Zion and Ja, the Gold Waves, if you PSA 10 those, who knows how much those are going to be worth, especially if both of them stay healthy and have a good year next season. Definitely a sick investment for sure. Karis LeVert going to start us off for the Brooklyn Nets. Jimmy Buckets behind him for the Miami Heat. Nice card for the Heat. Larry Nance Jr., Cleveland Cavs. Our rookie on the back is going to be Tremont Waters for the Boston Celtics. Celtics catching all their rookies in this break. Our red wave is going to be a non-rookie. It is Mike Conley of the Utah Jazz. Yeah, I think you're right, James. I mean, like, the thing about these Tmall boxes, too, is, like, nobody even has the cards. Like, if you go on eBay and search for a Gold Wave Zion, how many results are you going to get? 2? Fred VanVleet, Toronto Raptors. We do have our first gold wave in this pack. So Derrick Rose for the Detroit Pistons. Victor Oladipo, Indiana Pacers. We'll save our gold wave for last and go to the back where we have an NBA debut, PJ Washington. Nice hit for the Charlotte Hornets. Hornets doing very well. PJ Washington, NBA debut. Nice hit for Craig. All right. Who is our first gold wave? It is not a rookie, unfortunately. It is Alec Burks, Golden State. Not who we want to see. Prefer a Steph Curry there. But gold wave Alec Burks for the Golden State Warriors. Dom, that's going to you. Yeah, these packs even like, you sneeze on these things and they open. All right, Lap Dance Lou going to start us off for the LA Clippers. Seth Curry, Dallas Mavericks. Troy Brown Jr., Washington Wizards. Our red wave is going to be Josh Okogie for the Minnesota T-Wolves. And on the back, we have a rookie, and it's going to be DeAndre Hunter for the ATL. Nice hit for Ben. So let's go. Let's get some big cards here. We do have another gold wave coming up in this pack. Rudy Gay for the San Antonio Spurs, followed by Karl Anthony Towns. Minnesota Timberwolves. Alec Burks again. Golden State Warriors. Move to the back where we have a Hall of Fame Scottie Pippen. Chicago Bulls. Gold wave coming up. Let's go for a rookie. It is not a rookie. It is Troy Brown Jr. for Washington. So not catching the best gold waves in this one. Kyle Kuzma going to start us off. Lake Show Lakers. Chris Middleton. I got a good feeling about this pack for some reason. I don't know why, but Kevin Knox, New York Knicks. On the back, we got an NBA debut, Jared Culver for Minnesota. Our red wave is going to be, once again, another non-rookie, but it is Duncan Robinson. Nice hit for the Miami Heat. Duncan Robinson, red wave. Nice card for Daniel C. Go ahead and show this one some love. Wish it was a Tyler Hero. At least it's not a Josh Okogie. We just want some names. We want some colored names, you know. Carmelo Anthony showing up 2 times. Robert Covington, Minnesota Timberwolves. Gary Harris for the Denver Nuggets. A rookie on the back is going to be a Darius Baisley for the OKC Thunder. Nice hit for the Thunder. Our red wave. It is once again another non-rookie. This time it's Jordan Clarkson. Utah Jazz. So, come on now. Feast or famine with these Tmall boxes. Looks like we have a Mosaic Prism in here. Mike Conley for the Utah Jazz. All it takes is one hit to turn it around. Harrison Barnes for the Sacramento Kings. There's a sick card right here. Brandon Clark, Mosaic Prism, base rookie. Memphis Grizzlies on the board. Very nice hit for the Memphis Grizzlies. Who's that, Mark? Wish it was a jaw, my friend, but hey, that's a nice silver medal. Our red is going to be a rookie. It looks like it's going to be Kyle Guy. Hit the rookie, but not who we're looking for. And on the back, it's going to be a Talon Horton Tucker, Lake Show Lakers rookie. So Kyle Guy, red prism. We're down to our final pack. Definitely not the most exciting rip we've ever done here. But let's stick Kyle Guy in a top loader real fast. All right, last pack magic. Here we go. Come on, Tmall. Give us a big name. Let's see, a LeBron, or we did get that KD red wave, so that's definitely a colored. Bogdanovich, Sacramento Kings. C. Osman for the Cleveland Cavs. Jonathan Isaac, Orlando Magic. We got a Grant Williams, so literally every single Boston Celtics rookie we've hit. Good break for the Celtics, Nicholas. Caught all your rookies. And last but not least, I had it right the first time. It's a Hall of Fame. It is going to be Oscar Robertson. I was hoping for an MVP. Oscar Robinson, red wave. So that is it, boys and girls. I wanted to give you guys some fire, but not the greatest in the planet, but there's always next time. And I definitely do have plans to do some more of these Tmall boxes. If you guys are interested. Got another cello box break actually scheduled for next Friday, I believe. Jump into that one. We're going to be doing some more giveaways. You know how we do it. Some more PSA 10s in store. Random mystery giveaways, just secret stuff. Never advertised on the eBay page, so not too many people know about it except you guys and then the people that are actually following the Facebook page. Also, if you guys want, you can always reach me on Instagram, science_of_sales. Shoot me a DM there. We do personal breaks all the time. Any sports you want to do you want to break some hockey or some baseball or football, we can do that too. Let me know, and we will make it happen. So thanks for joining us tonight, guys. Appreciate it. Be safe. See you next time.